Hey guys, we're back for another recipe out of Keto Comfort Food recipe book. Today we're going to do Snickerdoodle breakfast pot de creme. And this is what it's going to look like right there. Very fall dessert almost looks like. It's a breakfast one though, I guess. We'll see how it turns out. So the first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Down, and then let me go ahead and read the calories. The calories are 326, fat 37 grams, protein 3, carbs 1, fiber 0. So the first thing we're going to do is take this glass bowl and bring, oh actually no, the first thing we're going to do is the items on the stove. So I'm going to bring it over to the oven here and bring this to a medium high heavy cream. So we're going to do 2 cups of heavy cream. So I'm just using this one here. Got 2 cups. I had to go to the store to get some more. So let me quickly open this one here. Hopefully I have enough. There's 1 and 2. And then we're going to bring 3/4 cup cashew milk. So I've got some cashew milk here. You can use unsweetened almond milk too, or hemp milk. So 3/4 cup. There we go. And then a teaspoon of vanilla. Got my vanilla right here. The lighting is horrible. There we go. Perfect. Just to a simmer. So we're going to let this, grab my whisk here. Here. And now do the rest of the ingredients in this bowl here. So we're going to mix the egg yolks. So it's 6 large egg yolks. So I've got my bowl here, and then I've got eggs here. This is always the messiest part. There we go. I'm going to wash my hands really quick. 1/2 cup of sweetener. And then the cinnamon. So 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And I'm almost out of this. Go. And then we're going to whisk this also. There we go. Okay, I'm a little confused now. So it says in a large bowl, whisk the egg, sweetener, and remove from the heat. And then it says in a large bowl, whisk the egg yolk, sweetener, and cinnamon. Gradually whisk the egg mixture into the cream mixture. So this is the cream mixture, this is the egg mixture. Okay. Hopefully I did that right. I've never made this before, so I have no idea. So we gotta let this sit for like 10 minutes, it says. I have no idea, I've never made this. So we'll be back in 10 minutes then to put it in our dishes and then put it in the oven. So we'll be back. Okay, so it's been cooling. Now we're going to take my fancy dancy glass casserole dish, and then we're going to put these little, what do you call these? Little bowls. What do they call them here? Custard cups. Custard cups. And we're just going to take my handy dandy thing and we're going to pour these in there. I think I might just have to do it differently. We're going to do it like this instead. My saucepan has like a little dip in it so you can use it for pouring, which is really kind of cool. This will be much easier than using that ice cream scooper or whatever you want to call it. Smells good. It's got the cinnamon in it. Okay, and then here comes the weird part. We're going to add hot water to the back to the dish here in the casserole dish, and then we cover it and then we put it in the oven. So I need to boil some hot water, so I'm going to clean this out and put some hot water in this. Okay, so the water is done boiling. We're going to stick some of this down. I don't know if you can't see it, but just below there's water. Let me see if I can get you guys to. So the water is down below each one of these. It's in the thing. And then this is going to be very heavy. And so now we're going to take some about halfway up the sides of the cup. So maybe I need to add more water. Okay, so here goes nothing. I'm going to move this out of the way here. Like I said, I've never made halfway up. Okay. That's probably good. Wow. Okay, this is new to me. I've never done this before. So, and then we're going to cover the baking dish with a lid or foil to trap in the steam. And of course, okay, now we're going to take this and we're going to bake this for 55 minutes. in the oven. So wish me luck. Hopefully everything turns out good, and we'll probably be back later this afternoon or tomorrow to try this, because after we let this bake for 55 minutes, we got to put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. So we'll be back. Okay guys, 4 hours later, and the creme brulee, or whatever you want to call them, the custard is done. So we're going to try it. It's been in the fridge for the last 3 hours. It looks really good. I'm going to try one of these. Very good. Again, very dessert-like than breakfast. But tastes like a Snickerdoodle cookie. Very good. I would make this as a dessert, not breakfast. But I would definitely make it again. It does take a long time to make it, but it's very good. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.